Hi, I'm Briana from Briana K Designs, and today let's talk about Annie's Stitch Sampler Afghan, which is super, super amazing, and here's why. There's no boredom. I think sometimes when I go to look at making an Afghan that has like one stitch or two stitches in it, I get bored, and then unfortunately it sits in the corner in a basket and never gets completed. But not this kit. This kit is full of fun. If you can see here, there's lots of variety, which means less boredom, more motivation. You're going to stick with it. And also the cool thing about these kits is today I'm showing you the swatch samplers blocks 1 through 3. So that is doable. If I have to make an Afghan and I'm looking at it as a whole, I get too overwhelmed. So these are great. They send you the yarn you need for this kit, which I'm really digging this color because it's a neutral. And when it comes to blankets, we really, really want to match them to our home decor. So Annie's has thought that through. They have the neutral, nice, soft, squishy yarn so that this Afghan will look good on any sofa or in any bedroom. Or to gift to a friend, you know you're gifting them something that will go well within their home. Now I want to talk about supplies. As I've stated, the kit comes with the yarn you need to complete what's in the instructions for this month. What's super awesome about this is you don't have to go to the store and try to color match yarns. They have already done that for you. So here and moving forward, Annie's has taken care of the yarn. You don't even have to give it a second thought. It's squishy, it's nice, it's super cozy, and the colors are going to coordinate. I find that this is a great way to craft because we spend less time preparing for our project and actually getting into our project. They also send you this awesome stitch guide with what you will need to complete this section, which is super awesome because once again, if you were like me, sometimes I keep my supplies organized, but sometimes the couch will eat them up and I find hooks a long time later. But this is a great way to jump right in. You don't have to go around the house looking for anything. Everything comes right into your mailbox, which is super awesome. And then we've also got the instructions. Annie's will leave you hanging on nothing here. They're going to take care of you every single step of the way. And if you have any other questions, and you can access video tutorials at annies.com. So even if this doesn't include what you think it needs, if you have any more questions, there are video tutorials. But I will say this is very complete. And I also like how in the stitch guide, if there's any stitches that you're not sure about, they do include some visuals, which are super awesome. And then the instructions in here are precise and clear. And I really like how they've set this up because, and this is another thing that I absolutely love, is on-the-go projects. Now with a big Afghan, the first few rows you work up might be okay for on-the-go, but it gets big and it gets big quick. So shoving that in your handbag, if you do that like me on your way out the door, knowing that you might have to sit for a while in the doctor's office, or for me, I sit in a car line every day to pick up my kids. A big Afghan is just not doable. It's just, it cannot travel. But one of the biggest reasons why I love this style of Afghan is because each block is made individually. And so it's not a big project and you can do it in little chunks. So you can grab a skein of yarn, grab your crochet hook, and this will easily fit inside my bag and I can take it with me. Therefore, if I have to wait or I'm feeling a bit bored or I'm feeling a bit stressed and I want to take a few moments for myself, it's really easy to pull this out and work on it in smaller sections. And so you really can actually work on an Afghan on the go and you piece it together at home. It's my favorite way and my most successful way of making an Afghan. I just think it's less overwhelming and then you can take it with you for a quick car ride or a baseball game and it's easy to just throw that into your bag. So this is, I highly recommend if you are a crocheter on the go, which I know many of us are because we try to find that crochet time in between all of our other to-do lists here and there. This is a great way to do it. And I want to talk a little bit about the stitches used. This is where I say there's no boredom with this, is that the stitches used, as you can see, are lots of different ones. Now, I do consider myself an experienced crocheter since I'm a designer, and I'm looking at this going, oh, you know what? there's a few things I would like to do. So even if you're super experienced, there's a lot of great stitches in here for you to either brush up on, to learn, because I still find Annie is teaching me things all the time, which I love. I don't know that I will ever be able to do every single stitch that's known to man. So it's exciting when I get to explore something new. But I will say, for a beginner, don't let this intimidate you. Sometimes I look at a big piece and I think, do I know how to do that? Am I going to be able to accomplish that? But I will tell you, with these kits, you absolutely are. So whether you're experienced or a beginner, this kit is for you. They'll walk you through every step of the way, and it can be super relaxing and super fun. So let's get started, and we're going to talk today about blocks 1 through 3. Now these blocks are obviously in this one color, so they're not going to be touching each other in this design. We'll save them later for assembly, but it's a nice way to just work up these 3 blocks that will fit nicely with the other blocks that come in the squishy mail. I will tell you, these kits are super fun when you open up your mailbox and you see that beautiful purple package. It makes me smile. It's just awesome. And then I know that evening or that weekend, I'm going to have some relaxing crochet time. So yes, I do stock my mailman whenever I know that Annie's has a kit on the way. So it's super fun. Let's get started in talking about, I believe we're going to talk about block number 3 today. So I've already started this row by working at the first part, and we're going to start by working a V-stitch. Now the pattern obviously will show you and tell you how to work that V-stitch, but I'm going to give you a little visual here. So in this pattern, we're going to skip 3 stitches, and into that next stitch, we are going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet back into that same stitch. And as you can see here, it creates a nice V, hence the V-stitch name. And then the next stitch we're going to work is a shell stitch. Now a shell stitch also requires us to skip some stitches because we're also increasing in a shell stitch. So we will skip 3 stitches as this pattern calls for, and then we will double crochet 5 into the next stitch. And that will create a beautiful shell. I love shells because they're really simple to do. It's just as a designer, I know you have to get your stitch count right. Otherwise, you're thrown off throughout the whole row, which is why you don't have to worry about that. Annie's has already done that for you, and each row will come out perfect on stitch counts. So there is a shell stitch. It's just a double crochet 5 into 1 stitch. And then we just continue along the rest of the row as it calls for, and mostly working those V stitches and then those shell stitches. And that gives us a really nice design. And then on the next row, you just follow the instructions to work your way back across. But I love these shell stitches and V stitches on every other row, creating a really nice texture block for this blanket Afghan. As you might have noticed as I was working this up, is it has a beautiful drape. I always enjoy having a really nice drape, especially working with a blanket, because it's nice and soft and not too stiff. Looking at through these stitches, you're going to have a variety of different blocks that will go well together. But the yarn is a big part of drape. And definitely this yarn has a nice drape to it. It is an acrylic, so you can wash it, which is super important for blankets because I think we all know they need to be washed once in a while. So Annie's has been very careful in what they've chosen so that this is the best option for you in your home and the longest lasting, because if you're going to put this work into it, we really do want to keep it nice. And that's why this yarn was chosen. And I also want to point out once again that all the tools come with it, which is super fun, and because I love just having everything in one place. So stock your mailman. I really suggest you do stock your mailman, because I cannot tell you how much joy it will bring you to open up the mailbox and see that beautiful purple package. So jump on over to Annie's, grab this kit for yourself, but also you can grab it for a friend, because I promise you, as I priced flowers for a friend a few weeks back, it turns out that buying flowers is way more expensive. That delivery hidden costs are crazy. So in this kit, you know what you're getting, and it's also better than flowers. So if you have a friend who's a bit bored, where they, maybe have an injury where they're stuck on the sofa, or they're going through a really rough time, this is a great way to cheer them up, and it also shows that you care. I highly recommend substituting these for flowers because your crochet friends will thank you, and also it's very personalized, and they'll find a lot of joy in creating this project and also think of you. Be the best gift giver you can possibly be. I hope you enjoyed watching me do a little bit of this kit today, and I hope you pick one up for yourself because you really, really should. You deserve it, and it's a great way to craft stress-free without having to go out and gather supplies. And you can jump in, get going, expand those skills, make a beautiful Afghan piece that you will cherish and love, or you can give to someone that you feel that you love, or for a wedding gift or anything like that. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.